Hi, my friends, it's Sharon. And as you know, I'm all about helping you transform chaos into harmony in a hurry up world with humour and with heart. You know, I talk a lot about stopping to take a breath and about the APB of awareness, pausing and then taking 3 breaths and doing that every hour. And when you do that, it's important to stop and reflect upon how you're feeling. And this will help you to check in to be your very best. And when I say best, I mean best in checking in with your beliefs, your emotions, the sensations, and thoughts. What are you believing in this moment? Are you believing that things are going okay and they'll only get better? What emotions are you experiencing? Is it sadness? Are you feeling fear, frustration? Let's switch those to more positive ones of happiness, harmony, and hope. And the sensations. Are you experiencing pain? Are you ignoring that feeling? Or, like me, when I got on the horse and I had that kind of uncomfortable feeling in my stomach, that tells you that something just isn't going to go right, but I ignored it. So do you think and listen to that gut reaction? And then your thoughts. Well, that's what we get the stinking thinking sometimes. And we need to shift that to positive thoughts so we can be our very best and have the best belief, emotion, sensations, and thoughts. I'll share more about that over the coming up weeks as my Tuesday tip at 2. And until next time, all the best. And if you like my message, please show that you care by hitting the share. And until next time, many blessings.